Oh, that's funny. You laugh thinking, oh yeah, he was just making a song and dance about getting this off. The last three I've tried to take off. This neck of this screw has broken off up inside of there with the head stuck in there, and I couldn't get it back out. Had that have been the problem, I might have had to replace this whole sink faucet. Come on. I don't know if I'm turning the guts underneath the sink or not. I'm not sure. Just not sure just yet what's happening there. Wow, that's on there. That's on there. Come on. I think it's turning. It's turning whatever down underneath. Somehow I'm going to have to get a pair of vice grips on there or something so that I can undo this screw and hang on to whatever's turning underneath the sink at the same time. Now let's see what I can pull out of my hat. To wipe up, get rid of all your tools, clean up, and we're going to call it good. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.